Hello, we are dealing with NSAIDs, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. These are the main four actions of NSAIDs: anti-inflammatory, antipyretic, analgesic, and anti-gout action. Mechanism of action of NSAID is when the trauma occurs, it releases phospholipase A2 enzyme, which further stimulates arachidonic acid, and in the presence of cyclooxygenase enzyme, which having two types, COX-1 and COX-2. It will produce prostaglandins, and these are the types of prostaglandins: PGE2, PGI2, PGH2, and in the presence of the thromboxane synthesis, this prostaglandin will synthesize thromboxane A2. So how will NSAIDs occur? This NSAIDs, it will act on this COX enzyme, COX-1 and COX-2 inhibit, so it will not produce the prostaglandins and so on. And corticosteroids, it will inhibit directly the phospholipase A2 enzyme. Here the COX-1 and COX-2, they are the non-selective in nature, and those which are COX-2 blockers, they are selective. COX-1, it mainly acts on the GI, renal, blood clotting, while COX-2 acts on the pain, inflammation and the fever. If we talk about the classification of the NSAIDs, non-selective COX inhibitor and the selective COX inhibitor, we already read that selective COX inhibitor are the COX-2 inhibitors like rofecoxib and celecoxib, and the non-selective COX inhibitor like COX-1, COX-2. First one is analgesic with marked anti-inflammatory action. So here is the mnemonics. We can remember this by Samir. Please answer objective acids. Here the S stands for salicylic acid derivatives. Example is aspirin. Please, pyrazolone derivatives. Example is phenylbutazone and other oxyphenbutazone. A stands for acetic acid or the indole derivatives. For example, indomethacin, etodolac and sulindac. O stands for the oxycams, piroxicam and meloxicam. And A stands for aryl acid derivatives, diclofenac, acylofenac. Second one is analgesic with mild to moderate anti-inflammatory action. Please answer sulfonamide drugs. P stands for propionic acid like ibuprofen, ketoprofen. Answer. A stands for anthracynolic acid for like mefenamic acid, meclofenamic acid. S stands for the nimesulide. And third one is analgesic with poor anti-inflammatory action.